Get Discord Nitro for free today! Welcome to my new video, guys. My name is UFO187 and today I'm gonna show you how to get 1 month of free Discord Nitro. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Epic Games launcher today like me and move here up to store. Make sure you log in on your account. If you don't have account, create fast new account. After you do that, just scroll here down and you will see Epic Extras Spotlight. Get cool free stuff today on Epic Games, like rep in Fortnite, Rocket League, new tires and also much cool things. Just move here now to Discord Nitro, scroll here down and you will see Discord Nitro. You will see this add-on. Go here add to cart and go view in cart and you will see it's free. Just go here check out and go place order. After you do this, you will see all it's yours. After you claim Nitro, move here down, go here claim now, open extras, move here on Nitro and you will see in library, click on it and install Discord. After you install Discord and log in like me, just move on your mail where is your Epic Games connected. After you log in on your mail, you will see on promo, move here on promo and you will see Epic Games 1 month of Nitro. Open this message, you will see your time has arrived and go read them now. Click on it and you will see this on your browser. Log in on your Discord like me, you will see this message, you got 1 month of Nitro, go here next. To claim this offer, you need to add payment method. After you add your payment method like me, you will see Get Nitro Monthly. Click on it and get 1 month of Nitro. If you see this message, I think you need $1 to claim this promo phase. Just go here on this gear, go here on billing, payment methods, and you will see Discord Nitro cost about $1. You need this to cover this action. This is today's date. Okay guys, this is the cool offer to get 1 month Nitro with this cool Epic Games promo, but you need $1. I think this is legit way and cool for Discord gift. And that's it all guys for this cool video, how to get 1 month of Discord Nitro on your Discord profile. If you find this guide useful, share with your friend and enjoy this cool Discord offer. Also don't forget to claim all these cool free rewards in Fortnite and all other games. Just go here claim now. And you will see all offer for free today available on Epic Games. Bye guys.